back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all February's Caribbean Krate from Caribbean Flavors. So let's open up our crate. I'm so excited to share this one. So I want you all to see as I open it. Ooh, it's beautifully packaged. Look at that. I can tell it's Valentine's themed. Just look at it. So in this box, we get the recipe card for rosé pasta, ginger, creme caramel, and stewed chicken soup. So you can either, I know a lot of people like soup, a lot of people like pasta. You can decide what you want to make your special version. And dessert is the ginger creme caramel. So I'm going to set that aside. Now let's open up the box. So it has this lovely tissue paper. I love that. So look at this box. Look how full this box is. So let's start. In the box you get 30 items for $40 and it's all available on Amazon, guys. So we have here fried rice seasoning. We have complete seasoning, lemon pepper, and their lemon pepper is the absolute best. We have the Dhalpuri turmeric powder, garlic granules or garlic powder, jerk seasoning, their Caribbean citrus blend. This is a really good one also, guys. Exciting rib rub, charming seasoning, cook up seasoning, fish seasoning, garlic and herb seasoning, one of my favorites, whole dried thyme. So I had to put down this crate because it's so heavy. So let's continue. We have the Dhalpuri ground cumin or roasted jeera. We have black pepper, Dhalpuri amchur masala, smoked paprika. Yum, I love a good smoked paprika. You get 2 packs of Caribbean Flavors coconut milk powder, the absolute best. Here we have best barbecue seasoning. Wow, that was a lot of seasonings and items there. Just by itself, you are going to have a full pantry of spices and seasonings that you don't need to stock up on for a while. So the next item in the crate is a really nice one, and I've also used this product before, and that's for SFM's Accra Mix. If you guys have never tried this before, I have a recipe on my channel utilizing this where I show you 3 ways of making this. So I'll share that down below. I'll give you all the link. And I did a baked version and I did 2 fried versions. One fried was just simple, just this mixed, and you have to follow the package instructions to the T because following it to the T really ensures that you get a really light, airy, fluffy Accra. And I switched it up a little bit and I added tons of veg to this and it was absolutely delicious. I even put in some chia seeds and some hemp seeds and I made it really nutritious. So look out for that link for the recipe to make this in the description box. The other item we have in the box is the Morbi bark. Morbi is such a good cooling drink that it helps clean your skin and keeps your body nice and clean. So I definitely love this. So another Trinidadian favorite or Trimbagonian favorite is a good bottle of West Indian hot sauce. So you get a really nice size bottle. So now for the goodies, guys. So we're starting off with a bottle of Patsy's tasty salted peanuts. We all love our peanuts. Next we have a bottle of Patsy's split chana. Really good also. Next, Zumas. And that's a big pack of Zumas. Cheesies. Bourbon creams. Rum and raisin chocolate from Charles. And a bongo. So guys, those are all of the items that comes with this month's crate, the Valentine's themed crate. But guess what? They put in 2 bonus snacks in here that you guys are going to love. You're not paying for this because it's a bonus to the box. I just want you guys to keep that in mind. This is a surprise for you all. And those items are preserve. We have preserved mango and preserved plum. You know us Trini love our preserves, and you definitely get it in this crate. So this is by Lat Chili. I hope I said that right. But it's one of the most popular brands of preserves, and they're both spicy. So guys, thank you all so much for joining me for February's month of uncrating for the Caribbean Krate. I'll see you all in the next uncrating video. Bye everyone.